I researched information from repair shops, owner comments, and technical reports to give you a clear overview of the common issues in the Honda Odyssey between 2010 and 2017. Let's get straight to the point. One of the first problems Odyssey owners from those years often report involves the automatic transmission, especially the well-known 5-speed automatic in models before 2014 and the 6-speed automatic in newer models. Many users on forums like Reddit and Edmunds mention feeling jerks or harsh shifts when accelerating, or even delays when the transmission changes gears. This is usually caused by premature wear of the valve body or issues with the transmission control module. A mechanic commented that the transmission in this generation can have problems if the fluid hasn't been changed on time or if the vehicle has been subjected to extreme driving conditions. Honda responded in some cases with technical service bulletins recommending software checks or, in some models, component updates. The most common solution is to take the vehicle to an authorized service center for a full diagnosis. Sometimes it requires replacing the valve body or reprogramming the module, and in severe cases, repairing or replacing the transmission. Another frequently mentioned issue by owners is strange noises in the front suspension. Honda forums and Edmunds users report clacking or knocking sounds when going over bumps or turning tight corners. This is often related to wear on the suspension ball joints and bushings, which deteriorate over time, especially if the vehicle is driven on rough roads or lacks timely maintenance. A specialized mechanic points out that these noises aren't just annoying, they can also affect vehicle stability and should be checked as soon as possible. In some cases, Honda has launched inspection and free replacement campaigns for certain parts on specific models. The recommendation is to replace the affected parts and also check the condition of the shocks to maintain safety and driving comfort. Regarding the engine, there is a recurring issue of oil leaks around the intake manifold gasket, or valve cover gasket, reported by several owners in Odyssey dedicated forums and Facebook groups. These leaks can cause excessive oil consumption and, if ignored, may lead to smoke or more serious damage. Mechanics explain that these leaks are usually caused by aging rubber seals and gaskets, as well as exposure to high temperatures. Some owners mentioned that it started with small drips that later became more noticeable, so replacing those seals was key to preventing bigger problems. Honda has issued service bulletins for this issue in some markets, recommending inspection and replacement of the affected seals. The solution is to replace the seals, which should be done by a trusted repair shop to avoid recurrence. Another issue that comes up in various forums and comments is premature brake wear, especially on the rear brake system. Owners have noticed that brake pads wear out quickly, and that the rotors can develop warping that causes vibration when braking. An experienced Honda mechanic says that this happens a lot when the vehicle is used for long trips carrying loads or in heavy traffic areas where frequent braking is common. The main cause is intensive use, and in some cases, the type of pads installed. Some owners recommend switching to higher quality pads and regularly checking the system. Honda hasn't issued a recall, but does advise following the maintenance schedule to avoid these problems. Replacing pads and resurfacing or replacing rotors if necessary usually solves the issue for good.